What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to connect Stripe to n8n. You can click on the plus icon right here and then you're going to search for Stripe. Because we're searching for Stripe, we're just going to click on Stripe exactly and we'll see some options. Our goal here is to select the right trigger depending on our preference in order to connect it with n8n. So we can look through the options and there are lots of them, and we can look at on customer created. So we're going to click on this. And so we'll need a credential. We're going to click on setup credential. And so of course we'll need a secret key and signature secret. In order to do this, we're going to go over to Stripe. And then here in your home page, you're going to see for developers around this area under getting started with Stripe. Or if you don't see it, you can come over to the bottom right area and you can see API activity and you can find those details here. So we have the publishable key and secret key. So of course, we're going to go over to the secret key, and once we hover over it, you can see click to copy, and that's copied, and it's a great option because we don't want to make any mistakes. And then we're going to go back to n8n, paste the secret key, and click save. You can see credentials successfully created inside your personal space. And getting on this stage, it means we've successfully connected Stripe to n8n. Of course, what can test this trigger is if a customer is created and then you see the output right here in your n8n integration space with Stripe.